what I got from the doc.
Hey, man.
I don't know how family business is gonna make the neighborhood safer.
We gon' smoke a dip, all of it, not a little bit. We gon' smoke. Every body that like the fuck, throw your hands up. Like the fuck, throw your hands up. We gon' smoke it.
Franklin!
Hey, what's going down, homie?
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
You know I had to make them hoes wait, and when I arrived, the whole shit was in a trance. Niggas getting bummed out, motherfucker dance. Getting ready for the next batch. My homies asshole naked doing the motherfucking cabbage patch. Niggas throwing up, it's a part of growing up. My bitch test is straight, it ain't shit showing up. So up, cause the next buster might be you. Now all y'all niggas know what my crew about to do. We gon' smoke a dip, all of it, not a little bit. We gon' smoke a dip. We gon' smoke a dip.
You owe me $20.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good.
Let's go to Vespucci, Magellan Ave. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, all right?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dawg.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
I'd Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Repeat after me.
Hey!
I think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait! Away from me! Good Zappo agents! Ah!
Cold, homie. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This is a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, we saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos! Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on down.
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Fuck, they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass some cover. Fuck me. Shit, on your left. Get out, fool. You cock. Bitches in our body. Just on luck, homie.
You got nowhere to go.
Find your bitch ass some cover. Shit, on your left. Get out. You get PC'd up in the bin, nigga. Shit. Right. Only one way out this motherfucker. Get in behind that truck, homie. Reloading. Motherfuckers on the scaffold is on me. Shoot up that cannon. Let's get through this. Man, what's a few more of these motherfuckers?
You make friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
Jeez, keep your hand down. You one sad motherfucking bitch. What the hell? You's an ugly motherfucker. Please, putas. Get your fucking head down. What was your daddy drinking? No habla español, motherfucker! Hit the fucking floor! Die already! Good looking, homie. Up there, to the right! Up there, shoot that nigga! Bust his ass! Check that door! They trying to mash on him! Damn! Get that car, they trying to get out of here! Man, fuck this! Light them niggas up! Smoke my ass if you leave me here. You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that a motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here, we got your pink slip. Let's get him.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid. Man, I said punch it, homie.
Nigga, I should punch your ass for kicking that shit off. Bite don't mean nothing, homie.
May as well get this shit done.
Man, this is fucking crazy. You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
We need to shoot him off the bike. A couple of scratches better than nothing. Shoot him down. And watch that shit, homie. Shoot that motherfucker. Oh shit, he down. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way. Be cool, my nigga.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost.
Struggling pain.
Or blackmail them at a later point. Get paid to snoop on employee email. Train for 3 evenings and you'll be qualified to begin an exciting career as a human resources professional. Contact Bovine Human Resources Academy today.
It's cracking Los Santos. Keep it locked. The 106.
My boy Frank.
You don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about? Something like that.
Excuse me.
Wait.
That
Oh, wait,
boy. I am his mentor. So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simeon?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Y'all just listen too slow, young nigga.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dead! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
Dead, you fucking idiot. Ooh, slaughter time. I'll cut your dick off if you call the administrator. Hey, you know what? I am the administrator.
Thank you, Coach.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta.
Who the fuck are you? Help you? Do something! Fucking help!
You're a waste of semen, bitch.
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like, more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with. Thank you, Coach.
You're a real pro.
Who the fuck are you? Do something! Fucking do something!
LOL, you suck fat man's dick.
I still love him, though. Sort of. Thank Thank you, Coach.
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repos.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jessup.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
And I still got this gun to your head.
Shitty situations, dawg!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you...
Fucking ass!
Simeon Yetarian doesn't back down from anybody.
You recognize this car?
Visa, credit cards, banking, brokerage. It's time to start paying for everything.
Classics from the Los Santos Rock Radio.
Breaking news.
A gang shootout in Puerto del Sol.
Excitement is building for Life Invaders' new product launch.
A breakthrough in the notorious Leonora...
Whoa! Hello, can I speak to Dr. Parker? Whoa! Holy shit! I just need a refill on my anxiety meds.
Hi. Police don't know if this means drug wars between Hispanic gangs. Reignited, or if this was simply a deal or an altercation gone terribly wrong.
The smuggling of weapons from the U.S. into Mexico has transformed the Sonora Desert region into a war...